Hello, welcome everyone. I hope everyone is ready to get to know about anatomy. Let me introduce you about human anatomy, NNPD 1032 for 2020/2021. Let me begin by introducing you the human anatomy lecturers. This is Associate Professor Dr. Yandy Rosley. The top one is Dr. Hema and then next is Dr. Fath. Dr. Fath is the main coordinator for Human Anatomy course. Next, let me introduce your program coordinator. For Environmental Health, Dr. Heng. For Nutrition, Dr. Razina. For Occupational Therapy is Dr. Afifi. Next, for Optometry is Dr. Mizanim. For Speech, Miss Murshida, and for Audiology is Dr. Marnisa. Next, for Dietetic is Dr. Shanti. And for Physiotherapy is Dr. Deepa. Okay, do you know what is anatomy? Anatomy is study of the structure of an organism and their body parts. There are two divisions of anatomy which are gross and microscopic anatomy. But, for this course, we will just focus on the gross anatomy. For gross or macroscopic anatomy, you will learn based on the systemic approach. From the picture you can see that we have about 11 systems in human body, and we will cover all the system. These are the list of lecture topics and the lecturers' names, throughout this course. You can also see the division of topics for each assessment together with the assessment date. This is important. Please take note. For this course assessment, it will be divided into two, continuous and final exam. For continuous, you will have to sit for 3 mini tests, with total of 60%. For final exam, it will cover another 40%. Therefore, for this course, here are some recommendations of reference books. However, you can also get extra informations related to human anatomy from other sources that you prefer. And here is another one of the reference book, which is Gray's Anatomy. As you can see in the photo, that is Professor Richard Drake, who is one of the authors for this book. Last but not least, as a student, you will have to use this website called UKM Folio, a lot. We will use this platform to share lecture notes, videos, links, announcement, tutorials and even quiz. So make sure you keep your eyes open to this platform. Okay, that's all for the introduction of human anatomy. We will see again very soon. Thank you and take care everyone.